here I've got the SEEKONE industrial heat gun, so let's get it out of the box and have a look. So this is going to be your best friend when it comes to redecorating your heat gun. This is what it looks like. You've got a little stand here so you can prop it up, stand there, or hang it on anything. So this is your temperature dial to turn up the temperature, how much heat you want, and your sort of power settings, 1 or 2, depending on how much power you want to put out from it. You've got different nozzle attachments for different purposes, for different things. I'll just show you all of these. Last one there. Oh, and that one as well. So I've been using this to strip paint off of a wall, or off of doors rather. You just use the heat gun, it just strips it all off, so it comes with this little instruction manual, multiple different languages. Let's just see what it says. So I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but it explains what all the different nozzles you can use for. It's got a reflector nozzle, deflector nozzle, large connector, concentrator, small concentrator, glass protection. You've got a handheld scraper that it comes with as well, and a putty knife. So different nozzles for different uses, one for defrosting pipes, bending plastic or shrinking insulating tubing. One's got a more narrow heat pattern to concentrate into a specific area. Different heat flow, basically, you know, different for stripping paint, different purposes. So it depends what you want to use it for. You've got different heads to help you out there. And yeah, it's a great piece of kit. Obviously, comes with a 3-point plug. Just plug it in, and away you go. So yeah, that's it. SEEKONE industrial heat gun for whatever you may need it for in your home decorating. Would recommend, been really helpful.